Okay, we're looking at homework number 4, interpreting graphs. So this graph on the right shows the distance in feet run by a Jaguar, and then they have the time down here in seconds. And part A says, what does the point 5 to 80 represent in the context of the situation? Remember, this first number corresponds with the X, second corresponds with the Y. So if we look along our axes, the x-axis is talking about the time in seconds. The y-axis is talking about the distance in feet. So what this means is, in 5 seconds, the Jaguar can run 280 feet. Okay, so you would write that out as a sentence. Same idea for part B. The 3 is an x value. The x represents seconds. The 168 is a y value. The y is distance in feet. So the Jaguar can run 168 feet in 3 seconds. Or in 3 seconds, the Jaguar can run 168 feet. Part C. Is the distance run by the Jaguar proportional to time? Explain why or why not. I want you to look at the graph for that one. There are 2 qualities about the graph that tell us that it's a proportion. Okay? Has to deal with where it starts, and it has to deal with the shape of it. Okay, so give me 2 qualities about the graph for that one. And then last one, part D, write an equation to represent the distance run by the Jaguar. Okay, for an equation, we're going to have to pick one of these points. So that I have numbers that I can actually divide. So let me look at maybe this last point. Or actually, what's better is let me use this point, because that point is given to me over here in part A. That's the point 5, 280. Okay, so my x is 5 and my y is 280. So if I want to find the constant, I'm going to do y divided by x. So I would do 280 divided by 5. Double check that on the calculator. You get 56. Okay, so that's your constant. Your equation, you have 2 options. You can say that y divided by x always equals 56. Or you can say y equals 56 times x. Multiply the x values by 56 and you get the y values. Okay. For number 2, you're going to make up your own chart for selling t-shirts at $22 each. And you're going to answer questions A, B, and C.